Hello, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I want a casual dress.
What color do you like?
I like pink or blue.
These dresses are very popular.
This pink dress looks beautiful.
Yes, it is soft and comfortable.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is there.
Thank you.
Take your time. It fits perfectly. That's great to hear. How much is it? It is $29.99. Is there any discount today? Yes, we have 10% off. Great, I will buy it. Wonderful choice. I also need a t-shirt. These are our new t-shirts. I like the blue one. Blue looks great with jeans.
I will take this blue one.
Good choice.
Do you have it in white too?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you sell jeans too? Yes, right over here. I want size 28. Here you go. The jeans fit very well. They look great on you. Thank you so much.
I also like this brown bag.
It is on sale today.
Really? That's nice.
Yes, it is very popular. I will take the bag too. Perfect choice. Thank you for your help. My pleasure. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Here is my card. Payment successful. Would you like a loyalty card?
Yes, please. You can get discounts next time. That sounds great.
I enjoyed shopping here.
We are happy to hear that. I will visit again soon. Have a nice day.